On number 11, I'm solving by the square root property. And I don't need to isolate the square term because it's already isolated. So I'm ready to take the square root of both sides, and I get x plus 3 is equal to plus or minus square root of 64. Now, 64 is a perfect square, so that's going to become plus or minus 8. And then I want to get x by itself, so I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. Now, because there's no radicals, these two numbers can actually be combined. So x is going to be equal to negative 3 plus 8 and negative 3 minus 8. So x is equal to 5 and x is equal to negative 11.